HP PageWide XL Pro Stacker Overview. In this video, we'll take a look at the HP PageWide XL Pro Stacker for the HP PageWide XL Pro printer series, its supported media and capacity specifications. HP PageWide XL Pro Stacker is available as an accessory for the HP PageWide XL Pro printer series. It's designed to stack all compatible materials coming from your printer, including rolls, cut sheets, or boards. With the HP PageWide XL Pro Stacker, it's important to know the maximum page sizes it can support. The maximum supported page size is 40 by 48 inches, 102 by 122 centimeters. Longer plots can be printed, but they will not fit within the tray and can fall to the floor. The maximum capacity of flexible materials is up to 500 A0, A1 pages of uncoated 75 GSM paper. Up to 50 millimeters of total media can be stacked. This varies based on the media's density, size, and printed content. Focusing on boards. The maximum capacity will vary based on the media's density, size, bow, warpage, and printed content. For boards 2 millimeters thick, up to 25 boards can be stacked to the maximum 50 millimeter stacking height. For boards from 2 to 5 millimeters, up to 10 boards of 5 millimeter thick can be stacked to a maximum of 50 millimeters of stacking height. With boards of 5 to 10 millimeter thickness, it will stack up to 4 boards that are 10 millimeters thick or 40 millimeters of stacking height. Please note there's a lever on the side of the HP PageWide XL Pro Stacker that needs to be put in the correct position depending on the board's thickness. From 0 to 2 millimeters, horizontal or standard. From 2 to 5 millimeters, middle position. From 5 to 10 millimeters, upward position. The stacking tray then moves to its lower position to stack the maximum number of sheets permitted for each media thickness regardless of their weight. The maximum media weight ranges from 70 to 1,050 grams per square meter. The lower limit depends on the amount of ink and the orientation of the media's fibers. For the HP PageWide XL Pro Stacker, there are various accessories available. The accessory roof is included, and when it's in use, it should be in the horizontal position unless you're printing on natural tracing paper or on rigid materials, in which case the roof should be put in the vertical position. When printing from the sheet feeder, the accessory tables must be raised to the upper position, and the stopper accessory is then placed in position to further improve the alignment of the stack if necessary. First, print one page and place the stopper where the first page lands. The other pages will align to that position. Please note, when printing from a roll, using the stopper is not recommended, and the table should be in the lower position to avoid jams due to the curling of the paper. So, as we can see, the HP PageWide XL Pro Stacker allows all sheets and boards to be neatly stacked. This allows increased productivity, for example, in case of double-sided printing, or in the next steps during cutting, finishing, and shipping.